Creating a Solflare wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to securely store, send, and receive Solana tokens. Here's a step-by-step guide to create your own Solflare wallet. Install Solflare wallet. Visit the official Solflare website or download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can use a Solflare browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Create a new wallet. After installing the app or extension, open it and select the Create New Wallet option. Agree to the terms. Read and accept the wallet terms and privacy policy. Write down your seed phrase. Solflare will generate a 12-word seed phrase. Write this down carefully and store it offline in a safe location. This seed phrase is the key to accessing and restoring your wallet if you lose access. Set a password. Choose a strong password to protect your wallet. This password will be required every time you access your wallet on your device. Done. After completing these steps, your Solflare wallet is ready to use. You can now receive SOA and other tokens, send funds, and interact with Solana-based decentralized apps.